guys, my name is Adrian. In this video, I want to show you how to make a daisy chain funnel, guys, with the Conversion Pros. I'm just going to show you how to do it somewhat, but if you want to learn, if you want my share codes and take my videos, if you join my team, you're welcome to get this funnel, guys, I made with the Conversion Pros. Okay, the first video you see right here is the $10,000 a month. Learn a 3-step strategy to make passive income below. Once they click continue, they will come to this page. Okay, and this page right here is how to build capture pages and sell pages with the TCP, the Conversion Pros, right? So you'll learn a lot right here, what template you want and all that. Add a bonus, you get an unlimited autoresponder included. Get started below, boom. But if you want to learn some more, the mobile app, click continue. Now this is part of the daisy chain, guys. When they'll come to this page. Now we also have the URL link rotator with the TCP mobile app. Now what this is, we have an app on your phone, guys, and you know what landing pages are working, and you can contact the people, email the people straight from the Conversion Pro app. This is awesome right here. It's just pretty much new. We also have a drag and drop tool. Okay, get started below. And they click here, they come to sign up page. So now they want to continue how to get fresh leads. They'll come to this. Now this was called daisy chain, guys, funnel. They're learning the systems, more and more on each time they click continue. Now this right here video, let them know they can buy leads in their back office and go to their autoresponder, guys, and you get the name, the phone number, and email, so you can call the people up right away, because these people are looking for the ways to make money from home. Okay, click here, get started, and then learn the Conversion Pro compensation plan, right? So they'll come to this page last, guys. Now this right here is showing you how much money you can make just by getting people to sign up with you. Get 10 people, that's $250 per month residual. Get 50 people, that's $1,250 per month residual. You get 100 people, that's $2,500 per month residual. You get 400 people, guys, that's $10,000 a month per month. Let me say that again. That's $10,000 per month. Now that's time you can fire your boss, right? You can say, hey, I ain't coming back to work. You know what I mean? I'm going to do this 100% full time, because you can get 400 people. Guess what? You can get 800 people, guys. That's 20,000. You can get 800 guys. You can get 1,200. That's 30,000, guys. So this is what we call the daisy chain funnel. Start right here. Come to this one. It comes to this one, guys. It comes to this one. It comes to this one. And this is the daisy chain funnel. And once they click, they watch the whole funnel if they want, they come to this page and they can just sign up right here. And make sure you sign up. My name is Adrian right there. But if they want to sign up at the beginning stage, all you got to do is click right here. If one video convinces them, boom, sign up. So this is what you call the daisy chain funnel, guys. And this, I'm just showing you 3 ways to make $10,000 per month, guys. All right, guys, once again, it's your friend Adrian. Subscribe to my video below, guys. Channel like that. Put a like. That'll be nice. And I will talk to y'all next video, guys. Peace and love.